Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I made these two beautiful accessory storage using discarded materials. Before I begin, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. To get started, I'll be mixing the cement with some water. The smoother your mixture, the better the finished product will look. I'm using this bowl from KFC. This is a bowl that you'd get potato salad or coleslaw in. Shake the bowl to ensure that the mixture is properly settled. I'll now be adding the tubes, and these are tubes I got from shoe boxes. I have cut one tube shorter than the other to add dimension. While the first product is drying, I'll begin working on the second. I added a piece of tile to the bottom of the bowl to prevent the jar from sinking to the bottom. I am using this jar that has a nice rounded shape. After adding the jar to the bowl, I'll pour the cement around the sides of the jar. Shake to ensure that the mixture is properly settled. The first product came out perfect. It has a beautiful color, sheen, and texture. I am sanding the top to smoothen the surface. I'll be painting the top using white acrylic paint. I will not paint the side because the side already has a beautiful natural color. I will be adding 3 coats of white paint to the top. Allow each coat to completely dry before adding another coat. While this one is drying, I'll begin to work on the second product. This one did not come out as perfect as the first one. The edges are a bit rough, so I'll smoothen the edges using sandpaper. I am adding the white paint as a primer. I am now adding the final coat of white paint to the first product. The first coat of color will not look vibrant, but as you continue to add the layers, the color will improve. Here are the two beautiful finished products. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like these products, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.